To start filming.
Go for it.
This looks like a pretty cool elevator.
It is.
Oh, it's going up first, so there are probably a ton of people riding.
It's the busiest one in the mall.
If this used to be a Broadway, then that explains why there's a down level. There could be a basement down
We're on
there.
the lowest public store level.
This may have been a Broadway before.
I think it was. No.
Because Broadway's had a basement for employees. Well, not all of them. Some of them did. Well, we'll do my research and see what store it used to be.
They do not have enough elevators here.
It said one. Oh, now it's...
It's here.
On the two people thing?
Okay, okay. We'll wait.
You're even in it.
Oh, there's a camera in here. Wish you would have told me that.
Oh, wow.
That's
A
okay.
big camera.
I don't live here, so I don't really care. This is a nice elevator.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go back to one. I'm not even gonna click B.
The first store. This is the coolest elevator lobby in the whole store.
Okay. Is this where I should get a good picture of the
Let's end up
elevator?
here.
Okay, we will end up. I actually like this interior though.
That's nice.
Okay, hit 4 for me. Hit 4. Okay. Was this a US at a time?
That's a good guess.
I
I've
think
never
so.
been able to wrap my head on
So
this
look
one.
look at this part. You can tell it used to be a US. Okay.
No, there's not. Yeah, check out this lobby.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Right?